Elon Musk's long-awaited dream of an affordable Tesla has finally come true. According to recent reports, Tesla has completed the design of its groundbreaking new mass-market vehicle, codenamed Model 2. This electric marvel is set to revolutionize the automotive industry as the best and most pocket-friendly electric car on the planet. The excitement doesn't stop there. Samuel Alejandro Garcia Sepulveda, the governor of Nuevo León, Mexico, spilled the beans on Tesla's plans. Thanks to a recent direct investment, a brand new Mexican gigafactory is on the horizon and construction is about to kick off. With all the environmental, energy, and water permits already approved, the Tesla Model 2 is quickly becoming a reality. Are you curious about what this game-changing ride will bring to the table? Stick around because today's episode is all about uncovering the thrilling features and innovations that await in the upcoming Tesla Model 2. The world of affordable electric vehicles is on the verge of an electrifying revolution, and at the forefront stands Tesla with its ambitious plan to make eco-friendly driving accessible to everyone. You may have heard about the lightning-fast Tesla Model S Plaid, but that's just the beginning of the excitement. Tesla has ambitious plans to push the boundaries of electric cars, not only in terms of performance and speed, but also in affordability. In their 2020 annual shareholder meeting and Battery Day, Tesla announced its game-changing mission to release an electric vehicle priced at just $15,000 within this decade. Yes, you heard that right. Tesla aims to democratize the electric vehicle market, making eco-friendly driving accessible to a wider audience. The details about this upcoming mass-market car, often referred to as Model 2 or Model Q, have been a well-kept secret. Rumors suggest that a prototype of the Model 2 has already been completed in China, resembling a downsized and camouflaged version of the beloved Tesla Model Y. Tesla's commitment to China as a key market is evident through its establishment of the Tesla Shanghai R&D and Innovation Center alongside a Tesla Shanghai Superfactory data center. With a focus on research and development and manufacturing, Tesla is gearing up to create a unique vehicle that will cater to the worldwide market. What's even more fascinating is that the Chinese R&D facility could handle everything from software and hardware to electronics and materials. This hints at Tesla's dedication to innovation and catering to the specific needs of the global EV community. The Chinese data center stands as a hub of innovation and progress for Tesla, housing crucial operational data specific to China, including statistics on manufacturing production. But its significance goes beyond just data storage. This data center plays a vital role in shaping the future of Tesla's most ambitious project yet, the $15,000 Tesla known as Model 2 or Model Q. This groundbreaking facility is not just Tesla's first R&D center outside of the United States. It holds the key to the entire development process of the Model 2. From the initial design stage to the final testing, the Chinese data center is at the heart of it all. Tesla China President Tom Zhu emphasized the center's capabilities in an interview with Jin Wannet posted on YouTube in February 2021. According to Zhu, this impressive facility empowers Tesla to undertake the entire journey of creating a car, from designing and engineering to building and testing right within its walls. But the impact of the Tesla China R&D Center extends well beyond China's borders. The ultimate goal of this facility is to break free from geographical constraints and create truly global Teslas. Instead of merely serving the Chinese market, Zhu envisions that the models produced here will transcend boundaries and reach customers worldwide. This vision aligns with Tesla's mission to make electric cars accessible to as many people as possible regardless of their location. Among the exciting features that Tesla plans to integrate into the Model 2 is their well-known self-driving package. This means that even the reasonably priced Model 2 will offer autonomous driving capabilities, making it a game-changer in the affordable electric car market. Tesla CEO Elon Musk confirmed this plan during the 2020 Battery Day event, assuring that a fully autonomous Tesla model priced at $15,000 would become a reality within the next 3 years. Tesla is driven by a commitment to deliver top-notch experiences to their customers, and the Model 2 is no exception. The company understands the significance of a captivating infotainment system to attract younger buyers who have always aspired to own a Tesla but found the price out of reach. The Model 2 is anticipated to boast an infotainment system loaded with diverse connectivity and entertainment possibilities, adding to the allure of this affordable electric wonder. With their sights set on a global revolution in green transportation, Tesla is leaving no stone unturned in their quest to make the Model 2 a reality. Beyond the Chinese data center, Tesla is strategically planning gigafactories worldwide. The massive gigafactory in Santa Catarina, Mexico is expected to be the largest in the world, producing the Model 2 for the North American market. And in Spain, there's talk of a potential new gigafactory that could contribute to manufacturing this economical Tesla vehicle for the European market. The Chinese data center is not just a place for numbers, it's a launchpad for a transportation revolution. As Tesla advances their plans for the Model 2, the world is eagerly anticipating the democratization of electric cars, where sustainable driving will become a reality for millions. With Tesla's visionary approach and relentless pursuit of innovation, the future of affordable electric cars has never been brighter. Tesla is setting its sights high with an ambitious goal of manufacturing a whopping 4 million units of its future entry-level electric car every year. According to a story published by 36 Krypton on April 4, 2023, this is quite a leap from the 1.3 million vehicles Tesla sold in 2022. The upcoming electric car is referred to as a small Model Y by Chinese media sources. While the rumored manufacturing volume is exciting, it's essential to approach it with caution, given that it's still in the realm of rumors. Similar to the buzz surrounding the $25,000 Tesla, environmental impact assessments from China in 2020 spoke of increasing the Shanghai facility's capacity for producing Model 3, Model Y, and related derivative models. During the Q3 2022 earnings conference call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk expressed confidence that the sales volume of the new entry-level model would surpass the combined sales of all other Tesla cars. Musk predicted this success, highlighting the expected high manufacturing volume of the new car. To achieve such large-scale production, Tesla is determined to localize the manufacturing process entirely in China. Regional President Xu stated that this is an achievable goal. Complete localization would mean producing the Model 2 entirely within China, which could allow Tesla to charge a higher price for the car. However, reaching the target price of $15,000 is a challenge even for Tesla, known for its dedication to quality. Tesla is exploring various avenues to cut costs and keep the price accessible. One significant step is utilizing LFP, lithium iron phosphate battery chemistry, which can help reduce battery costs. Tesla CFO Zachary Kirkhorn emphasized the importance of streamlining production processes and cutting down on expensive components. He pointed out that advancements in construction processes like those seen in Model 3 and Model Y have significantly reduced body weight and costs. The company believes that producing cars in large quantities across 4 plants worldwide, including factories in Austin and Berlin, will help achieve its production cost goals. As Tesla forges ahead with its master plan to offer a compact car with a 53kW LFP battery pack, the anticipation for the Model 2 as a city commuter range electric vehicle grows. One of the main advantages of LFP batteries is their inherent safety. They are less prone to overheating or catching fire compared to other lithium-ion battery chemistries like NMC, nickel manganese cobalt, or NCA, nickel cobalt aluminum. This is because LFP batteries have a more stable crystal structure, which minimizes the risk of thermal runaway, a condition that can lead to battery fires. Another significant benefit of LFP batteries is their long cycle life. The cycle life refers to the number of charge and discharge cycles a battery can endure before its capacity significantly decreases. LFP batteries can typically handle thousands of cycles, making them durable and reliable over the long term. This extended cycle life contributes to the overall longevity and sustainability of electric vehicles that use LFP batteries. Moreover, LFP batteries have excellent thermal stability. They can operate efficiently across a wide range of temperatures, making them suitable for various climate conditions. This thermal stability allows for better performance and helps maintain the battery's capacity even in extreme weather conditions. While LFP batteries offer numerous advantages, they also have some trade-offs. One of the main drawbacks of LFP batteries is their low energy density compared to other lithium-ion chemistries. Energy density refers to the amount of energy a battery can store per unit of weight or volume. Lower energy density means that LFP batteries may have a slightly lower driving range per charge compared to batteries with higher energy densities. Despite this, LFP batteries are an excellent choice for certain applications, especially for affordable electric vehicles with a focus on safety and longevity. They strike a balance between performance, cost-effectiveness, and environmental considerations, making them a viable option for electric car manufacturers like Tesla when producing their entry-level Model 2. As technology advances and battery research continues, it is possible that future improvements in LFP batteries could further enhance their energy density, making them an even more compelling choice for electric vehicles in the years to come. So, are you excited about the launch of Tesla Model 2? And will you invest in this EV? Share with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, show us some love by hitting that like button and leaving a comment down below. Also, if you're a fan of all things technology, be sure to check out this other video we've got lined up for you. It's packed with all the latest news, tips, and tricks to keep you ahead of the curve.